All right, man.
How's it going?
I'm done.
Oh, wow.
I'm done. That's going to do it.
That was efficient.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Well, thank you for giving us the opportunity. Also, the real estate agent that referred us to you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. We greatly appreciate it. So, how the floors come out?
Oh, they look fantastic, man.
Thank you,
I
man.
mean, like, absolutely fantastic. So,
I
we're
agree.
thrilled.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Is that Carolyn?
No, it's AT&T.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, guys. Client loves the
Hey,
floors.
what's up, guys? Today is Tuesday, February the 25th. We are out here in Buckhead, Georgia. This is a job. We're going to be doing a full sanding. Now, my guy Aaron is going to sand the floor, also stain it, recoat it, and then the client also requested the UV cure. So I'm going to come in when he's done, maybe between Saturday and Sunday, UV cure the finish. I just came from McDonough. It's a big ballroom, and they're also having their floors screened, recoated, and UV cured this Thursday. And then I'm booked out until the 10th of March. You guys, when I tell you it is getting busy, and it's already been a great year, but it's getting busy. I've had like 8 calls already come in. I've recommended a few to Aaron. People, anytime they have like water damage or they want the floors fully sanded, Aaron's one of my recommended guys. So he's the one that's going to be doing this project today. It's close to 1,000 square feet plus stairs. He actually pulled the carpet in the living room yesterday. And then also when I leave here, I got to go do another consultation in Lawrenceville. So let me flip this around and show you guys what this project that we're doing. Guys, so we are in Buckhead. This client was actually recommended to me by a real estate company, and when I came out here, I met the real estate agent, and she said, yeah, Courtney, you was actually the most highly rated company on our vendors list. So that's why they recommended me to the client. And this is the home that they're moving into. So that's the carpet and the padding. There's Aaron right there. That's the carpet and padding he pulled. Guys, look at these floors. Woo! So he pulled the carpet in here. Wow, look at this. So he's actually about to bring in the big drum sander. So guys, this is no screen and recoat. This is way out of my league. Wow, this floor right here. All right, let's see if they got light. I guess not. Here, got a lot of pet stains. Oh yes, it's gonna be a good one. And then you got some stairs right here. He's gonna do the stairs, and it's a 1 room and a hallway upstairs. So I'm gonna see if Aaron is gonna need my assistant. Well, I don't think he does this all the. Aaron's been sanding floors for about 14 years, and I've been recommending him to clients since he moved to Georgia almost 2 years ago. We actually met on Instagram, and I'll tell you guys, he works by himself. He loves sanding floors. I mean, love it. And I've never had one complaint from Aaron. So anyway, guys, oh my goodness, look at that. Ugh. Aaron said when he was pulling this carpet yesterday, he said, Courtney, it was so disgusting. So now what he has to do, he got to go around and pull all the nails out, all the staples. Sanding, guys, it's a whole nother. Nah, I've sanded a few floors in my lifetime. It's not my cup of tea because it is a lot of work and it's a lot of time. This job would probably take him a good 5-6 days. Anyway, guys, just showing you the project that we got going. Be out tomorrow, Thursday, Friday. I'm going to Blue Ridge. Saturday, going back to the job that we did last Saturday. She was so happy with it. She has me coming back to do other 3 areas. And already Monday, Tuesday, guys, it's good. It's good. Business is good. All right, guys. Aaron's bringing his equipment in. Stay tuned.
March 9th, just got to this project that we started last week. Had a few hiccups, not on our end, but the whole house within itself. They was getting a new electrical box. So this is the project Aaron started about 2 weeks, but with the electrician and the city getting a permit, it put Aaron back by 4 days. So we are down to the last day. Got the last coat, and we are going with the red coat. So Aaron is applying that red coat finish. And after he gets that applied, there's my guy Aaron. Has been a great contribute. So he just got the rag coat down in this room right here. That looks amazing. All right. And he also did the upstairs, which I'm not going to go upstairs. And he's putting the rag coat down here, cutting in with the trim pad. Beautiful, beautiful technique. And guys, remember, this floor had so many stains. Hey, Aaron, what stain is this that you applied?
Medium brown.
Medium brown. This is medium brown. I'm not really, like I said, he's more experienced with the stains. I would have came in here and said, this walnut. It's dark walnut. So this is medium brown. That's actually the name of the stain?
Yep.
Okay, medium brown.
By Duracell.
By Duracell, all right? So anyway, guys, the floors came out amazing. And Aaron's gonna go ahead and get it, get that coat down. And then in about a couple hours, I'm gonna start UV curing, and the client's gonna come over and be happy with their floors. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I've already UV cured the 2 rooms upstairs. Look how beautiful these floors came out. That rag coat satin is a beautiful finish. Beautiful finish. Aaron, you the man. That's the man right there. That is a beautiful finish, guys. Beautiful finish. All right, so I'm going ahead and get the UV curing going. All right, guys, go ahead and get these floors UV cured. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Floors have been fully sanded, stained with medium brown Duracell stain, topped off with Pro Coat Aqua Pro, and then Bill's last coat is rag coat. All right, guys, floors came out amazing. Client loved the results. Said the real estate agent came by, they love the results. Now you can still see some pet stains from before. Aaron did tell them that some of these pet stains will still be visible. They say it's fine because they're gonna have a lot of furniture covering that up. Now they could have went darker, but this is the stain that they chose after Aaron put down the samples, and they love the results. Also, the 2 rooms upstairs, and then this room right here that my client is working in, hooking up his AT&T box. So guys, floors look amazing. All right, guys, that is going to do it. I am about to head back to the office And I have a busy day tomorrow. I got a consultation tomorrow morning, 2 screener recoats, and also a consultation in the afternoon. We are in the busy season. Once spring gets in, guys, it is usually busy from, I mean, I will say this, it's already been busy, way busier this year, starting out January and February compared to last year. So it's going to be super busy this year, but I'm not complaining. But usually from March to August are like our busiest months. And then of course it slows down a little bit in September, and then it starts picking back up October and the holidays. All right, guys, that's going to do it. See you in the next one.